In today's lesson, I'll show you how to add a festive Christmas outro to any song that ends in the key of G major. Here's some notes C for reference. We'll start with the left hand. We're going to go down the chromatic scale and play G, G flat, F, E, E flat, D, and end with G octaves. On the right, we'll play G and B together. We'll play this 3 times, another 3 times, then we'll play once more, and we'll play D, G, A, and end with D, F sharp, and B. We'll play both hands together to give us our G major 7 chord. Now let's add this ending to any song that ends with G or G major 7. Instead of the simple G or G major 7 chord, we'll play our ending like so. What if your song ends in a different key? Well, I have you covered with the following tutorials. The links are in the description and comments section.